Hey, what's up, guys? Here I am in my dorm, and I just want to talk with you guys. Here, let me get a bit up close so y'all can see my face. I want to talk about plans for the future of this channel. So, one of my main focuses is going to be on my goal is to be able to go to college in Japan. So I'll be making videos of my whole process, and then I'll also have some nice shots. I just got a couple of drones, so I'll be practicing how to be a drone pro. And yeah, so I will do videos about college and stuff. I'll also have some like other random videos. I might do like some food reviews. I might do like some fixing stuff or some tips and tricks. But if you guys want any type of certain content, just make sure to comment down below and ask. And if you guys want to see more content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that a notify bell icon, I think. And then something else, a big project I'm gonna be starting on my YouTube channel is that I am gonna do 2 videos, and then both of the videos are gonna be on the same like content, but they're gonna be in. So I'm gonna shoot one totally separate in Japanese. So it's gonna be similar content, so that I can like practice my Japanese, and then I'm gonna shoot one in English. All right. So the goal is that I shoot 2 videos with a different content. The Japanese one is gonna have English subtitles for my English viewers. But if any of you guys are learning Japanese, then you get to hear me speak Japanese. And yeah, so I am gonna be talking like the very intro basic Japanese that I know, but I'll be practicing and hopefully I'll get better over time. Another thing that I found out is that I have the whole like apartment to myself currently, and I should have it all to myself for at least 4 weeks, which is cool. I'll show y'all around in a bit, but let me think if I have anything else to let y'all know. Nope, unless you guys have any questions, I'll make a follow-up video. I got drones, have my camera gear, college stuff, Japanese videos. I think that's like my whole plan. I also asked this one person for idea content, and then they suggested I should do some cooking. So I'm gonna be doing some cooking videos. I'll show y'all the kitchen as well, where I'm gonna be shooting my cooking videos. So I guess we're gonna get started and take y'all on a trip so y'all can see yourselves back there. Let's go. So this camera doesn't have a lot of image stabilization, but here's gonna be a second tour because I feel like I did pretty bad the first time. So here's the bathroom and stuff. Let me turn this around. Yeah, this is like a basic bathroom. You guys might want to see back there. I don't know. All right. Yeah, so it turns out that I'm in here all by myself. Then we have like a closet over there. You can see y'all right there. And then I'm gonna be doing some cooking videos right here. I'm wondering if I'm missing any lights. Oh, there you go. I did. Then I have a fridge here. I guess I'll put some stuff in here for my cooking videos. And then I have a couch right here. I could shoot some videos on the couch as well. Set up the camera right here. And oh yeah, I'm gonna finish showing y'all that it's only me here. So yeah, like all these rooms are empty right now. And then I should have it empty for 5 weeks. Oh, and his room over here actually has a LED. So if you guys want me to shoot some videos with like a LED a background, comment down below. But that's kind of it to update y'all. And I hope to catch y'all on the next video.